Okay, today you guys are going to learn how to do an orthographic drawing using a CAD software. The software we'll be using is called AutoCad Lt 2000. If you look on your desktop, you will see the icon for the software, AutoCad Lt 2000. You need to double click it to open. When the start from scratch icon screen comes up, just click OK. Make sure it says English, feet and inches. Click OK. Now, first thing we need to do is set up some of our, change some of our settings. And the first setting is we need to format our lines. So go to Format, Line Type, go to Load, and scroll down till you find Hidden. That's one of the lines we'll have to use in some of our drawings. And click OK. And that will be added to your library. Now, hit OK. Now the next thing we need to do is make this plain sheet into a grid. So we go to Tools, go to Drafting Settings, click on Snap and Grid. Be sure you turn the snap on. Be sure you turn the grid on. Now we need to change our spacing from 0.5 to 0.25. When you do that, click on the snap Y spacing, and it changes it automatically. Then come to your grid X spacing, make that 0.25, and then go to grid Y spacing and do the same thing. It should automatically change to 0.25 when you click in the box. Be sure your grid snap is selected, and be sure it's rectangular snap. Then go to Object Snap, click the Clear All button, and then go back and select the parent intersection. Hit OK. Now we're ready to begin our drawing. The drawing we're going to do for this tutorial will be number 6 from your isometric drawing sheet, and it is the drawing that has the rectangular block with the rectangular opening in it. First thing we need to do is make our front view. So I come up here, select line, and I'm going to go right about in this corner here. And I need to look down at my sheet and determine how tall the front view is going to be. Well, we know by looking at the picture and counting up the squares, or looking at the dimension line to the right of it, we know that it's 4. So I'm going to click, and I'm going to go up 4. And if you look, you should see on your screen it says polar 1.000 less than 90 degrees. That lets me know that's 1 inch long. Click enter, or click your left button. Now we're going to go across to the right, and we know that it has to be 8 squares, or in this case it'll be 2 inches. Click, go back down, and click. Once you do that, right click and hit enter. Now we've just made an outside shape. Now we need to make the opening. So we go back to line again, come back in. We know we got to go in 2, up 1, and go up, click, right click, hit enter. And now we have our side view done. Now it's time for us to make our top view. So I go back to the line, and I'm going to go up a couple of spaces, and I'm going to go across 8 because we know it's going to be, the top view is always the same length as the front view. And now we need to know how high we need to go, or make the width for the top view, and we know that's going to be 3. So I go 1, 2, 3, and I come across here, go there, and then right click, enter. Now let's make our end view. So click on line again. I go over 2, go down, over 3, go up, come back across, right click, enter. Now I've got my 3 views drawn, but they're not complete. If you notice in the top view and in the end view, it's telling me, if I look at that, it's telling me it's solid all the way through. But if I look into my front view, I know there's an opening. So now we have to show our hidden lines in the top view and in the in view to show where that opening is taking place underneath those surfaces. So what I need to do is go up here to where it says layer, click on it. I'm going to select hidden. There's my hidden line. I come back to the line. I go down here, line that up.
Teachers, please pardon interruption.
Yeah.
But there's a very important email to the family that we need you to read. All first period core teachers, please read a very important email to the family.
And then come back over again.
At this time concerning math testing. Thank you.
I thought, give me on that. Go back to the line again. Select, go across, right click, enter, select the line again, click, right click, enter. Now you have completed the orthographic drawing for number 6. You have enough room on this sheet that you should be able to complete at least 3 more of these. I'd like for you guys to do all 8 of these. I mean, that's my fault. All 7 of these. Starting with number 1. You should be able to get number 1, 2, and 3 on this one. And then the other 3, you should be able to get on another sheet. As you finish these, call me over so I can help you save it. And that's it. And if you still have trouble with the next, you can go back and use this video clip to help you walk you through the steps. All right. Good luck.